Mobile phone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Open from your mobile phone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, so share your one more member, Mister.
Sir, actually I on, sir, but it is showing black, sir. Blurred.
Okay, then open your link in mobile phone.
Okay, sir.
Two members open. Now Naresh, you share your PPT. You start. Who is going to start? Okay, who want to start? Okay, who is going to do present what content? Give a brief information. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, you didn't prepare PPT, huh? You are showing the document. Okay, PPT. Then convert and present. Okay, right. Now you go down slightly. You go. Oh, you are starting conversion, huh? Okay. Conversion you do later and upload in the 1 minute. Wait there. Wait there. I will take a snip and then you can wait there. Everyone, don't forget to give the attendance before leaving. So you have to create the Google Doc file and then for assignment. Okay. You do it. Yes, you start, ma.
Our project is coming to the abstract of our project. Automatic railway gate control is a simple but very useful project which is automatically opening and closing the railway gate upon detecting or arrival of the departure of the train. In general, railway gates are opened or closed manually by a gatekeeper.
1 minute. You also didn't do that justification, I think so. It doesn't look like a paragraph.
So,
Not that one, last fourth. How it looks now. You change everything. Okay, right, continue.
in general, railway gates are opened or closed manually by a gatekeeper. The information about arrival of the train for opening or closing of the door is received from nearby stations. But some railway crossings are totally unmanaged, and many railway accidents are occurred due to the unmanaged level crossings. To avoid this human intervention at level crossings completely, we need to automate the process of railway gate control. Coming to the introduction of our part, we are making an automatic railway gate with an alert system attached to it. In this project, we are using an IR sensor as an input source to the microcontroller. When the IR sensor detects the train, microcontroller gets a high input at the and thus processing starts. In the output, one red LED will start glowing and a buzzer will ring for around 1 minute, warning people to that can now reach at any moment. Along with this, motor will be also connected to the output, which will start rotating as the railway barrier will be closed. Once the train has gone and the IR sensor is not detecting anything, red LED will stop glowing and green LED will glow and the barrier will be removed as well. Presently, there exists an automatic railway gate system, but it doesn't have an alert system attached to it. Because of this, many accidents will occur. Thus, we are making an integrated.
Okay, this 1 minute. This alert system will be a voice or text. How alarm? You convert it to a voice instead of alarm. I want that to be, that is a alert has to be given in a voice of your mother tongue. Okay, so then it will be a good thing for presenting and submission of paper. Okay, when you publish it, it will help you. Your resume will be developed, improved. Okay, so you will be getting 10 marks for higher studies if you have published a paper when you are going for abroad. Similarly, for your MS degree. Similarly, when you attend the interview, there also you can put in your resume that you have published a paper and you have done in a microcontroller based design. Means electronics companies will have a good acceptance. That is, they may have a ratio that okay, these fellows have done something extraordinary in electronics, so they may be utilized in electronics field. So like that, you may get an opportunity. So please have that in mind. Don't just do what is there in your paper. So try to incorporate your own ideology, like giving the information in your own mother tongue. It may be helping you. So all of the 4 students have same mother tongue or different?
Same that.
Telugu. Telugu. All the 4 members are from Telugu background. Okay, you give the information in Telugu and English. Okay. Okay, try it. Okay. Right, ma. Continue your work.
We can do this project in both hardware and software, but we are now using software components. We are using Kyle Mu version 3 and Proteus software. Naresh will continue the next slide. Language.
Okay, who is going to explain the Proteus software demo? Ah. Yeah. Okay, right. The Proteus software you have downloaded. Okay. Continue.
Uh, but we will be done in Proteus software. So
Diagram, block diagram, whether you have drawn or it has been taken from the paper. No. No, that is okay, ma. When you are demo, this will be under plagiarism. You will be getting an issue of plagiarism. You have to recreate the diagram. So
construction
that
and
is like your copyrights form issues and all nowadays very seriously it has been treated. You may be present also sometimes. Okay, so be careful. Because Indian law nowadays states that if that particular person complains, you may be in trouble. So avoid, you try to draw it. So, okay. So this is common for all the batches. So no diagram must be cut and pasted for project work, because sometimes you go for publication and this paper will be viewed by international persons, okay, for your job opportunity or for your higher studies. That time, these diagrams and all will create a big issue. Okay, a huge penalty will be asked to be paid. You may think that's just for fun. I have added, sir. That time you cannot do anything. They will ask you to pay a huge amount of. Yes, yes, you can include that, or you what you do is you take a paper, draw it, and then neatly